Hey guys, welcome to our channel Technical Rescue. Today in this video we will talk about the best structure of an organization. 10 type of organizational structure every company should consider. When it comes to different types of organizational structures, it's important to consider which one serves your goal and allows you to reach your market. Decision to make include things like chain of command, span of control, and centralization, among others. Now let's break it down. Organizational structure. Four basic element of organizational structure. Types of organizational structure: majestic versus uh, organic organizational structure. Organizational structure examples and organizational structure things to know. A company organizational structure is the hierarchy of the business terms, leaders, managers, and individual contributors. Organizational structure determine what employees do, whom they report to, and how decisions are made. At a minimum, organizational structure chart should include employees title and basic relation across terms. uh, to put it simply, an organizational structure is like a map that simply explain how your company works and how its roles are organized. Like me, you are probably work in a variety of organizational structure. So four basic elements of our organizational structure. An organizational structure types has four essential elements, and you can add more building blocks or components depending on your business need. I cannot stress the enough. Make sure you include the following basic elements. Chain of command. Your chain of command is how tasks are delegated and work is approved. An organizational structure allows you to define how many rungs of the ladder a particular department or business line should have. Departmentation. Departmentation is one of the most important element of your organizational structure. It clusters your terms by similar roles and responsibilities and allows you to understand how each department connect to one another. Span of control. Your span of control can represent two things: who falls under a manager wall, management, and which tasks fall under a department responsibility. Centralization describes where decisions are ultimately made. Once you establish your once you establish uh, your chain of command, you will need to consider which people and department have a say in each decision. Mechanistic versus organic organizational structure. Organizational structure fall on a spectrum, which mechanistic at one end and organic at the other. Take a look at the diagram below. Uh, Mechanistic structure are also called bureaucratic structure, are known for having narrow span of control as well as high centralization. They also quite rigid in what specific department are designed and permitted to do for the company.